Publishing Docker images. Docker images can be shared through registries. Publishing enables collaboration and deployment. Docker Hub is the most common publishing platform. Versioning helps manage image releases. Lesson objectives. Understand image publishing. Learn image tagging. Use Docker Hub. Push and pull images. Apply versioning best practices. Why publish images? Without publishing, images stay on one machine. Teams cannot access them. Production servers cannot deploy them. Publishing solves these problems. Benefits of publishing. Easy sharing. Team collaboration. Centralized storage. Consistent deployments. Version control. Publishing is a core Docker workflow. Real-world workflow. Developer. Build image. Publish image. Registry. Developers and servers. Images become available everywhere. Publishing prerequisites. Before publishing. Docker installed. Docker Hub account. Working Docker image. Internet connectivity. These are the minimum requirements. Creating a Docker Hub account. Docker Hub provides public repositories, private repositories, team collaboration, image distribution. Your username becomes part of image names. Building an image. Command. Docker build tmyapp. Docker creates an image locally. Verifying local images. Command. Docker images. Displays. Repository. Tag. Image ID. Size. Confirms the image exists. Understanding image naming. Format. Username/image name tag. Example. John/myapp v1. Standard naming is required for publishing. Image name components. John/myapp v1. John. Username. Myapp. Repository. v1. Version tag. Why naming matters. Incorrect. Myapp. Correct. John/myapp v1. Registries require properly formatted names. Tagging images. Command. Docker tag myapp John/myapp v1. Creates a new image reference. No duplicate image data is created. Understanding tags. Examples. Latest. v1. Version 1.1. v2. Tags identify image versions. Why version tags matter. Without tags. Unexpected upgrades. Potential failures. With tags. Controlled deployments. Predictable results. Logging into Docker Hub. Command. Docker login. Requires. Username. Password. Access token. Authentication is required before pushing. Pushing images. Command. Docker push John/myapp v1. Docker uploads the image to Docker Hub. What happens during push? Docker. 1. Authenticates user. 2. Compresses layers. 3. Uploads layers. 4. Stores metadata. 5. Publishes image. Verifying published images. Check Docker Hub repository. You should see. Repository name. Image tags. Image information. Confirm successful publishing. Pulling published images. Command. Docker pull John/myapp v1. Downloads the image from Docker Hub. Running published images. Command. Docker run John/myapp v1. Docker creates and starts a container. Updating an application. Modify application. Build new image. Tag new version. Push updated version. Continuous improvement cycle. Version workflow example. V1, V2, V3. Each version remains available. What is semantic versioning? Format. Major.minor.patch. Example. 1.0.0, 1.1.0, 1.1.1. Widely used in software development. Semantic versioning breakdown. Major. Breaking changes. Example. 1.x 2.x. Minor version updates. Minor. New features. Example. 1.01.1. Backward compatible improvements. Patch version updates. Patch. Bug fixes. Example. 1.1.01.1.1. Small improvements and fixes. Benefits of versioning. Easier rollbacks. Safer deployments. Better testing. Controlled releases. Versioning improves reliability. Publishing workflow summary. Build. Tag. Login. Push. Registry. Pull. Run. Public repositories. Characteristics. Accessible by everyone. Easy sharing. Common for open source. Private repositories. Characteristics. Restricted access. Better security. Internal applications. Widely used in organizations. Security considerations. Never store. Passwords. API keys. Tokens. Secrets. Inside Docker images. CI/CD publishing workflow. Code commit. Build image. Run tests. Push image. Deploy application. Automation improves efficiency. Real-world example. Developer. Build image. Push Docker Hub. Testing server. Production server. Same image across environments. Common beginner mistakes. Forgetting Docker login. Incorrect image names. Missing version tags. Publishing untested images. Best practices. Use meaningful names. Follow semantic versioning. Test before publishing. Keep repositories organized. Use private repositories when needed. Benefits recap. Publishing provides collaboration, consistency, centralized distribution, version control, easier deployments. Interview question. Question. Why should Docker images be tagged before publishing? Answer. Tags identify image versions and help teams manage releases, perform rollbacks, and deploy predictable application versions. Key takeaways and lesson summary. Docker images can be published to registries. Docker Hub is commonly used for image sharing. Tagging is required for version management. Semantic versioning improves deployments. Publishing supports collaboration and DevOps workflows.